Hey, what's happening? I know I haven't done a video in a while. I've been kind of busy, and there really hasn't been anything really different to mention, except now it looks like the bond market is continuing to drop, but the money doesn't look like it's going into the stock market. It looks like it's going into the metals. That was amazingly strong, and I want to see. I think silver beat out. Yeah, definitely. I think silver beat out gold today. Oh, it didn't. Gold went up even more than silver did today. That's all right. Ooh, we had a major breakout in gold. I just got home, so I haven't even been able to look at this yet. But yeah, we're definitely going to be hitting the $1,000 mark, and once we do that, I think we bounce past 1,000. We might retest 1,000 as support. But the MACD's coming up. Yeah, silver and gold looking good. I got out of all my short financial last week. I was long the FAZ. I sold that for a small gain. I was in an Apple position. I sold that for a small loss, and it looks like the financials aren't looking like they're turning down. So I have traded my thinking of a better strategy to do in trading fewer and fewer stocks. So right now I'm doing this one strategy on Micron Technology. The symbol is MU, and when I look at the weekly charts, this is a real simple technique, and I've back tested it and it works like crazy. If the weekly is above the 20-week moving average, then you're bullish, and then you look at the daily. If the daily rises above the 20-day moving average, you're long. If it pulls back below, you're short, or not short, you're just out. Pulls back above your long. I was long 2 days ago. Yesterday it had a big bounce up. I forgot to put a sell order in. I usually put a sell order. If I make 5%, you can get richer than hell 5% at a time. So making 5% on a trade is plenty. But I forgot to put the order in to sell, and I ended up with a small loss on the trade instead. But and right now we're below the 20 on MU. If it were to rise above the 20 again, I would just get long again, and it's as simple as that. Just one stock, just trade it over and over again. I like MU because it's a real clean trading stock. It doesn't really mash sideways too much. It's either trending up or trending down. So I've been watching it for quite a few months, and it's a real clean trading stock. All right, there will come a time. Well, you couldn't really go short because it's below $5, but Options Express won't let you trade it short under $5. And the other one, of course, is SLV. Obviously, there's a lot of money coming in. We're going to be looking. I want to pass 1450 on any pullback. I'm going to start buying really long-term options. I'm talking about January of 2010. I'm going to start loading up on some options for that. Hopefully on a pullback. I don't like to chase it like this, but looks like we might have another nice little run up. So those are basically the only two things the DXO is double long oil. I just happen to have a little bit of that too. So I'm going to silver and oil, and I'm going to do the back and forth trading on Micron Technology, and that's about it. I'm kind of avoiding the miners right now because you can make more with the options on SLV, and you don't have the risk of a mining company being shut down. And because some of these operate in Africa and stuff like that, it just kind of makes me nervous to buy options on that. Buying the stock would be okay, but the options kind of make me scared. So even though if you know what you're doing with options, it's always better to trade options than it is stock. So I might be just switching to options here real soon. Much less money up front, and the leverage is amazing. Anyway, good. Looks like we're on our way back to $20. We can get above $15, and we get above $20 again, or $21. It's all smooth sailing from there. So, oh, you know what? I'm gonna put a PDF up here out of a report I just read, if I can find it, and it's about what Bernanke might do to get us out of this financial crisis, and a lot of it has to do with revaluing the gold and silver, taking some of the debt and revaluing gold and silver to erase the debt. So if they erased all the debt, if if they backed every dollar with gold, it'd have to go to about 60,000 an ounce. So I don't know what silver would do in that time, but I know it would be a lot higher than it is now. I think once the short position is broken on silver, we're going to see explosive upside on silver. As soon as the manipulators are out of business, I think you're going to see $5 and $6 moves on silver in a day after it passes 20 bucks. So we'll see what happens. Then it'll act like a real stock instead of this nonsense. So anyway, check out the PDF and read it. It's about 36 pages long, but really only about the first 10 pages. It's pretty big print. And then it goes into all the how to buy gold, this, that, and the other thing. But read everything about Bernanke in it, and it's pretty interesting stuff. So I'm going on vacation till I'll be back like on Monday. So I'll see what the market does on Tuesday. I'll do another video next week and see what's going on. But definitely be long the SLV, and we'll see how the Micron technology works out. I mean, there's a lot of. Let me look at the FAZ real quick. FAZ. Yeah, that was unchanged today. You know, it looks like it's really moving sideways. But the MACD, the moving average lines are converging upward, which is always bullish for a stock. I always see stocks rise when the MACD is rising. It actually has to rise. So we might be going back into there. I'm real tempted to do that when the market looks like it's getting weaker. Take some of your profit from silver and put it into the short financials. So that's about it. Oh, I'm going to put another link up there to the Cosmic Drama Queen's latest bouncing bullion off her friend's butt, which is really hot. You can check that out. I'll try and figure out how I can get that up there. I'm not real sure, but I think I can do it. So anyway, I know I shared that with a couple of people, but check it out. If you don't, look up Cosmic Drama Queen and look at Silver is Worth More. I'm going to be doing a video next week on Silver is Worth More and try to win one of them coins from Endless Mountain. So see what I can do about that. I mean, Silver Trader should be winning. I should win that. My name is Silver Trader. I should live up to it, right? So I'm going to try to do that from now on. All right. Have a good weekend. Don't drink too much.